Atiar Students Union JSU kala Pynrem jur halor ka jingkem klem Nongrim ka sarkar jilla yaki Nongïalam ka Atiar National Council JNC ki bekin thop yo President, General Secretary but Publicity Secretary kat ba kirang don ha kalinti ben leche ka public hearing halor ka project Shri Simen ha ka met life hotere unai tung arja arpen rio. Kaseng ka kinno ba ka niya ka day ka jingpindan kam bakla ya ka bor ba ka pin ba ka sarkar kadang sinsha da ka bor henry da ka jingisilok yaki nong shong shnong. Ka JSU kala kinno ru ba ka sarkar kala pin Kenya ka an da ka ba Shah iki nong kirshan ka Shri Simen Limited ban klong ya ka surak pat ba but Pynrem ru iki jing pindan kam tear gas da ki pulit per Shah iki pat ba ki belet bani shimbenta ha ka public hearing. Ka seng ka ong ba ki ni ki kam ki pin Shah ba ka ni kam de shu ka public hearing henry ka de ka private hearing jong ka sarkar MDA2. Kala ong ru ba kam la satya ban priang ya ka jing kam jong ka sarkar ba ka public hearing ka long na ka banta ki pat ba na markat kum ki video ki bala sapriang layo ya ka jing ti surok ka jing siat tear gas ba ka jing pindan kam ni ki pulit ba ki nong kirshan ki Shri Simen Limited ban khang la ki nong shong shnong ban poi sha ka jingelang. Ka JSU kala Pynrem ru ka jingkren jong usambot menteri rangba ka jilla ba Prestone tinsong da ka baong ba usu ai hukum na office klem tip ya ka jing ka bagi nong shong shnong ki kindo hamadan. Kumanchu ko ba ka JSU bat kiwe ki seng bhalang ki klem poi shu isha ka jaka pinlong ka public hearing but one pai no but pinlong jingelang ha pleng.
We the JNC Students Union were not allowed to participate in a public hearing held by Shri Simen Limited regarding their mines at Lomserman. A little bit about the public hearing. We had reached the spot for the public hearing yesterday around evening around 4 to 5 p.m. and we had witnessed that some members of other student unions had been detained by the police, and upon inquiry on their detainment, it was known that there was no probable cause, there was no arrest warrants, there was no summons issued by the police department regarding their arrest and their detains. We from the JNC Students Union were there and we participated with the people, with the local people who were against the mining project of Shri Simen. We were with other NGOs from JNC, JSU and others. We were there and we had given moral support yesterday to the people of Elaka Nongkhli, and also we were there till the evening because we had to be ready to attend the public hearing in the morning today. So upon waiting on the public hearing, what happened yesterday at around 11:30 p.m. somehow there was a mishap where our ambulance of JNC Students Union Central Body was targeted and attacked upon a rescue mission that it was set onto Shillong village. It was set, we had received a distress call from a resident of Shillong village, and at that moment, the education secretary had allowed the ambulance driver to go and attend to Shillong from Simen Bazaar, and the driver could not reach the destination because he was mishandled, and there was goons who attacked the vehicle and who even attacked the medical attendees at that moment. We clearly condemn this barbarianism of these people, of these goons employed by the Shri Simen company. We condemn that these people do not have that sense of humanity in them, that they can't even differentiate between an ambulance and a private vehicle. So also we had received news that there were women from Shillong village who had been assaulted because they were not allowed to go and protest regarding the public hearing. So we condemn this news also, and also we condemn the news of Shri Simen that they had to buy these goons from outside the district, from outside of East Jaintia Hills, and had to buy these goons for 1,000, 2,500 or whatever going rate they're going at, just to attend the public hearing and to be goons for them, to hold catapults or any other weapons that they were given by the leaders. And strongly we condemn this public hearing today, which we could not attend. As you know, we have sent the visuals via our media cell. I think the press also has received the visuals regarding the public hearing. We were not able to attend the public hearing as there was a mob enforced. They were using weapons, they were throwing stones, they were tossing many other sharp objects at us, and we could not go and attend the public hearing. And just recent, we have received the news that the public hearing went smoothly without any opponents, which is clearly false, and we clearly condemn this because this is not a public hearing, this is a private hearing. One thing I would like to condemn from the JNC Students Union side, we strongly condemn the Home Minister on his statements regarding the first public hearing, where he said that we should solve our matters at the public hearing, we should go and attend these public hearings there, but it seems that it's clear that he does not want us to attend. And just day before, he had given a statement in the news that he has instructed the SP and the DC of East Jaintia Hills to maintain the law and order situation so that people could participate in the public hearing. But today we have seen the results and it's clearly false, and he has given false hope and his statements are all false. So we condemn the Home Minister and we demand for his resignation because he cannot even keep his word, even holding such a big position in the cabinet. And also we condemn the arrest of these other student union leaders where they have been detained without any probable cause. So we strongly condemn this, and I am sure the other student unions will move this matter into a legal matter, and then they will consult with us so that we will tackle it in a different way. Also, from the JNC Students Union side, we have called the DSP of East Jaintia Hills today before the public hearing started, right after we were assaulted by these goons, and he has assured us, and we had telephonic conversation with him which was recorded, and also we will be giving it in a statement via an FIR to the SP tomorrow. The DSP has confirmed that he will take care of us and he will lead us to the public hearing, which also the Home Department, the Police Department of East Jaintia Hills has failed drastically. So tomorrow we from our union will be filing an FIR to the SP of East Jaintia Hills, and we will see in the upcoming days what action can be taken from the SP side, and if we find that the SP cannot take any action, we will move to a higher council, we will move to a higher office, or even move to the Meghalaya High Court regarding the situation.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani karukam shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F mentakasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.